Hello, welcome back. In our previous video, we said we are going to design this site. So let's continue from there. Now, there are some basic settings you need to do. So you go to settings here. Okay, you click on it. You make sure your site title is there. That is my site title. This one. Now you move on to here, membership. You take this one. Anyone can register. Then I think you save it. You save changes. Now let's go to permalinks. This on the same settings, permalinks. You click on it. Then you change it to post name. You see it's on day and name. Change it to post name. Then you save changes. Now we are going to install a theme. Okay. You go to appearance. You see themes. So we are going to install a theme. Now this is our default theme. So I will leave our Telegram link description of this video. You will see the theme we are going to install there. You just go to the Telegram channel, then you download the theme we are going to use. I've uploaded it there. Now, when you download the theme, you just click on add theme. Then you click on upload theme. Then you click on what? Choose file. Mine is here. So this is the theme we are going to use. Hoostify. This one. You just open it. Then you click on install now. Here you click on activate. After installing the theme, you click on activate. You just do this. Now, this is the theme we are using now. You just delete all this. The rest of the themes here, you just delete it. So you click on it like this. Then you come down here, you see delete. You click on it, you delete it. Same applies to this. And then this one too, let's delete it. Now this is our main theme. We are having this one. Okay, so now when we visit the site, this is how it will look. You see, so let's continue designing this site. We will need a page builder. So just go to plugins here. This is the plugins. You go to add plugin. You click on it. Now you see upload plugin here. Just click on it. Then you click on choose file. Now we are going to use this page builder. You call it Elementor. So this one too, you will get it in the Telegram channel. You just join, then you download it. You click on what? Open. Now install now. You wait for the installation to be done, then you activate it. Now it's done. You just click on activate plugin. Here it will take you to this page. You just click on this small times here. Click to close it. Then we can click on the screen option here. Then you untick this box and everything will look nice here. But for us to design this site, there are some plugins will be needed. So you just go to plugins. Then you click on add plugin. Now here you go to search plugins here. Okay. So I have the plugins names here. The first one we are going to install is the classic widgets. You search for it. Now you click on install now. So don't activate it now. We will move on to installing the next plugin. So let's do the WooCommerce next. Let's do the WooCommerce next. So WooCommerce. So this is the WooCommerce we are going to use, this one by automatic. So you click on install now. So now let's activate the tool before we continue with the rest of the plugins. So you go to installed plugins. Now you take the tool, then you go to bulk action, you change it to activate, you click on apply. So here you just dismiss, you click on dismiss. So let's continue with the rest of the plugins. You go to add plugin again. Then our next one is contact form 7. You just install it, this one, contact form 7. So our next plugin is, so you just install that one too. So this is what we are going to install, this one. You just click on install now. Then our next plugin is TI WooCommerce wishlist. Then you just install that one too. So this is the one that we are going to use, this one. Okay, you just click on install now. Let's check our last one, which is variation swatches for WooCommerce. You just search for that one too. So this is the one that we are going to install. Okay, this one. You just click on install now. Now we are having all our plugins, so you just go to installed plugins here. Then you take the one which is not activated yet. You tick all of them. Then you go to activate. You click on apply. Now we have all the plugins activated. You will see this at the top here, run the setup wizard. Just click on it. Here, click on let's go. Click on continue. Continue again. Just click on continue. 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 Here, just go to return to the WordPress dashboard. So now we are set now. You click on screen option here. Then you untick this one. Then here will be nice. So now let's move on to doing some settings at the WooCommerce. So you go to WooCommerce, you go to settings here. This is the settings. Now here you can fill all this. Okay, you can fill all this. Here you can choose Ghana. Ghana is here. So let's say Ghana, Greater Accra. You can do all this. If you want to enable tax, you just enable it. Coupons, you just enable it. If you want to use coupons, you just enable it. Here you choose the currency, which is Ghana Cedis. So you see it here, Ghana Cedis. Okay, then you click on save changes. Then we move on to products. Here weight unit, we can do it like gram, and then the dimensions unit, you can do it like cm, and then you click on save changes. if you want to enable tax and use tax, you just click on this enable tax. Okay, you click on save changes and you see the tax will be added here. Okay, if you want to set it, you just click on tax. Okay, and then you scroll down here. Okay, you add maybe VAT. It's an example, VAT maybe 10%. Okay, 10%, and then maybe another VAT, maybe 15%. You click on what save changes. Now you will see it here, VAT 10% and then 15%. If you want to set it up, you just click on the VAT 10% rate. You click on it. Now you will see this one. You just click on insert row here. Now the country code, you just type Ghana, and then here the rate is what, 10%. Just type 10, and then the name, you can just copy the name and paste it here. Then you untick the shipping, you click on save changes. So you can do the same thing for the VAT 15%. Okay, you can do it. Now I think we are done with this part. So we move on to post. You go to post. If you have any post here, you just delete it. Okay, you just delete it. Then you go to pages. Now you see that we are now having our pages here. Now you see that our pages are created here. Okay. So we will move on to creating our first product. But before that, you will see this one here, store coming soon. Just click on it. Okay. And then you choose live. You click on save changes. What we are going to do next is creating our first product.